Today we are presenting about wind solar hybrid power generation system by using solar and wind energy. Presented by Bhagyalakshmi Pradhan, Sapir Sarkar, Kana Bera and myself Avinash Pradhan. We are from Diploma third semester Department of Electrical Engineering. These are our contents: introduction, wind energy, solar energy, followed by future scope and references. We all know that our world needs renewable energy which is environmental friendly. World needs environmental friendly energy. That is why we are shifting towards renewable energy sources. There are two types of energy sources: renewable and non-renewable. Renewable energy sources are it is easily replaced by the nature in a short time, but non-renewable cannot be replaced easily. It takes millions of years to produce. As per the law of as per the law of conservation of energy, it states that energy cannot be developed or destroyed, but it can only be converted from one form to another. So, what is wind energy? Wind energy is the energy which is we are collecting from the movement of air. In this, we use wind turbines to convert kinetic energy of air into electricity. Solar energy is the energy we receive from the sun. It is the one of the most abundant and renewable source of energy. We use photovoltaic cells to convert electricity from the directly collected solar light, sunlight. Now I request Bhagyalakshmi to continue the slides.
Thank you, Avinash. First of all, we all know wind energy and solar energy are renewable energy. In our presentation, we are presenting a hybrid energy that converts the winds, that makes the wind energy and solar energy together and gives us the most outcome energy. This system is a hybrid solar panel that the photovoltaic cell that collects the solar energy and convert it to electrical energy, and the wind turbine that collect the wind energy with kinetic energy and convert it to electrical energy, and with mixing it we got the more and the continuous source of energy. For our implementation, this is our components. First one is solar panels. In solar panels, there is photovoltaic cell that converts sunlight to DC electricity. The second one is wind turbine. The wind turbine collects the kinetic energy of wind and converts it to AC or DC electricity. The third one is charge controller. The charge controller regulates the charge, or it controls the battery from overcharging. And the fourth one is battery bank. The battery store the energy it got from the charge controller. The fifth one is inverter. Inverter converts the DC energy to AC electrical energy for household use or industrial use. The sixth one is grid load, where the power is supplied. After we got the power from this, we gave it to grid load. This is our model. The first model is the system model generation. First one is the wind turbine. In wind turbine, we collect the kinetic energy of wind and convert it to electrical energy. The second one is photovoltaic panels of a solar cell. It converts the solar energy and convert it to in usable form and give it to grid connected controllers. The grid connected controllers controls the energy and stores the energy inside it and give it to grid connected inverters. The grid connected inverters convert the DC source of energy to AC electrical energy for the further use. Then grid connected inverter give it to convert the energy and distribute it to the electric network or electric grid and the civilian load or household use. So these are the steps I just said earlier in the diagram. I explain now. The important steps south facing. Wind in an open area with average speed of 4 meter per square or 14.4 kilometer per hour. Wind speed need to be no tall buildings or tall trees nearby. System side. For system side system, we need something that is the number of solar panels, turbine ratings, battery capacity and inverter size. Foundation is cast in concrete on the wind turbine for the better install mounting frames. The solar panels need to be 15 to 25% tilt for better solar consumption. Now I would like to invite Sabar Sarkar for comment.
Thank you, Bhagya. Advantages of hybrid: first of very high reliability, second long-term sustainability and long-term warranty, third high energy output for low maintenance cost, energy, no pollution, clean and pure energy. 5. Provide it on integrated power supply to the equipment. 6. 7. Complement support. Disadvantages of hybrid: initial investment is higher, a large space is required for large generation, the arrangements become complicated due to hybrid structure. Now I call Kanna Beres. He continue.
We need to provide together clean, reliable and cost-effective energy. It is step our greener future. Wind, solar, hybrid system have a bright future. They can provide clean electricity for growing energy need, village and industries. There are reference. Thank you.